Hey, I got Charles and Jennifer here with me, and you guys came from where?
Alabama.
For what?
To have you marry us.
You believe that, guys? They came out of Alabama all the way up here to Ohio, and I got off of work today, and I came over here to the park, and they got married today. Congratulate them in the comments, guys. But thank you very much for allowing me to do the honors.
Thank you for coming out here and doing it.
And congratulations.
Thank you.